Alright, what you're looking at here is a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan I recently got and fixed up and rebuilt, as you can tell. Gave it a new coil and new windings, and as you can see, but however, I was able to fix that chain because the chain switch, thankfully, I had to pretty much seal it up and glue it back together so it can hold better, because the plastic on it got brittle, so on one side of the switch, so I had to glue it together, so it's holding up perfectly now at this point. But unfortunately, when I got this fan, it didn't come with any blades whatsoever or any mounting hardware. As you can see, I had to clean it all out. As you can tell, I just cleaned it out, and there's no oil in it, so don't expect the spin down to be too long. But I'm not going to plug it in or test it right now because there is no oil in this fan, and I don't want to ruin it. As you can see, there is switch housing. It's a little loose, but I can just tighten that easily. But as you can see, the winding. This fan dates from 1996, as I think I said before, but there you go. And there's some of the things. As you know, it's the 2.0 amp original. Unfortunately, I don't have the down rod, the canopy, the mounting bits, or blades for this matter. But this light kit was not original. I added that on there. This fan came with the switch cap, but took it off and put it on the other original I have. But anyway, as you can see, it's pretty much rebuilt and ready to go. Just need to get the mounting bits and the blades and blade irons and a tube of oil so we can test her. But unfortunately, it's not going to happen right now. So anyways, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.